Hi everybody, this is Abdel Spot. Welcome. Vegetables and fruits provide us with a variety of nutrients and bioactive compounds, including minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and with vitamins like vitamin C and pro-vitamin A, and also with fibers. All these compounds, they help the body construct a strong immune system that protects us from diseases. That's why it's very important to eat fruits and vegetables. I'm very enthusiastic about this video because there is new vocabulary, and also because fruits and vegetables are very important for our body. دونك هذا الفيديو انا شويه زيت انثوزياست لان هذا الفيديو فيها فوكابلري جديد وفيها une leçon sur les fruits et les légumes. Enjoy the view. Hello, welcome. Today's lesson is about fruits and vegetables. Why fruits and vegetables? Because they are healthy food. Healthy food is food that is good for our health or our body, which means when we eat it we feel good and our body takes advantage of this food and we become stronger and in good health. لا لوسون اليوم غتكون على لي فخوي وعلى لي ليغوم. علاش لا لوسون ديالنا هي لي ليغوم ولي فخوي؟ لان هما شي حاجه اللي صحيه للانسان. This street is very famous for its street vendors, les marchands ambulants. I'm holding in my hand celeriac, le céleri, crafts, celeriac, celeriac. And this is coriander, la coriandre, صبر. And this is parsley, le persil. This is green pepper, and this is red pepper, فلفلة حمراء فلفلة خضراء. Red and green chili, فلفلة حارة خضراء وحمراء. Red and green chili, فلفلة حارة حمراء وخضراء. Radish, الفجل. Holding in my hand 3 shallots, داك البصلة الصغيرة les échalotes, les échalotes. White onion and purple onion, البصلة البيضاء والحمراء. Purple onion. Now this is courgettes, or in American English zucchini, القرعة الخضراء. This is pumpkin, القرعة الحمراء اللي كنديرو في الكسكسو. Pumpkin. Artichokes. This is broccoli. The broccoli. So this is what we call in English Brussels sprouts. Les choux de Bruxelles. Carrots. Réseau. This is a cauliflower. Les choux-fleurs. And this is cucumber. Le concombre. Khiyar. And this is eggplant. Sometimes we call it aubergine, British and American English. And this is fennel, la fenouil, and this is beans, green beans. And this is cabbage, les choux. And this is leek, le poireau, leek, boron, And this is green peas. Les petits pois, Gilbert. This is another variety of tomatoes. Its name is cherry tomatoes. This is lettuce. Lettuce, la laitue, the khas. This is spinach. Les épinards. And this is sweet potato. Sweet potato. Tata hilwa, la pomme de terre douce. And this is turnip, left. Turnip. Now let's practice vegetable vocabulary. Now let's learn new vocabulary about fruits. Now we have finished with the vegetables vocabulary. Let's move and learn new vocabulary about fruits. Now let's learn new vocabulary about fruits. Beautiful beets. Now look at these very beautiful apples. My favorite fruit. Nectarine. 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 شهدية. This is lemon. Lemon, le citron. الحامض. And this is mango. This is a papaya. 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 This is a pineapple. This is a pineapple. This is another fruit. Its name is raspberry. La framboise. This is strawberry. Watermelon. This is watermelon. So this is what we call melon. And this is pear. Pear. Le poire. Fruit. Here again, pears. The kiwi fruit. This is the kiwi fruit. Oranges. Apricots. Apricots. Mishmash. And this is another fruit. Peach. Peach. La pêche. Khoch. This is the banana. Banana. Now look at this beautiful fruit. Avocado. Let's practice fruit vocabulary. Today's lesson about fruits and vegetables is finished. I hope that you learned new vocabulary and that was interesting. Until I see you next time, thank you very much for your support. And of course, if you like my video, subscribe, activate notifications, and hit the like button. I wish you goodbye. See you next video, inshallah. Bye-bye.